everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope you're doing well today. Today we're going to talk about how Citibank and Discover have slightly changed the way that they give credit limit increases. So let's go in straight into it. If you don't know, Discover Card does not do a hard inquiry, okay, when you are looking to get credit limit increase, but they are looking for you to have some activity a lot more close to the type of limit that you're either seeking to have or in general, okay? So what does that mean? So typically, depending on how you use your credit card, you may use it for whatever, travel, or you may have it where you're just paying a small bill. You may put all your bills on there. No matter what you do, just make sure that you're using that credit card over 10 to 20%. If you're looking for a credit limit increase. Now, the thing about credit is kind of weird, right? Your score goes down if you use too much, but you got to look at everybody's looking out for themselves in a sense, right? When you are looking to get qualified for something, you got to think like the credit card company, the finance company. They're looking for someone who uses their credit card. They're looking for someone they can make money off of. They're looking for someone they can sell other products to. Someone who can manage their credit and their money well. And so they're able to kind of put those pieces together when they can see that you're using your card, number one, but you're using more than just a couple $100. You're using, almost close to 1,000 or maybe over 1,000, depending on what you're doing. Because let's be honest, if you're looking for a credit limit increase anyway, and your limit is, let's say, $5,000, you might be able to jump up to 6 or 7. But once you start getting above that $7, $8, $10,000 mark, they're really going to be looking for, what are you currently using this card for? So next time you have that flight, make sure you put that on your credit card. Next time you have X bill or whatever that allows you to pay with Discover, make sure you use that credit card. But at the same time, this is where financial education comes in to now pay that off, right? And some of them may be looking for you to have a certain type of balance. It's amazing how they keep changing the rules to the game almost. And some of you all, of course, are already doing this and had no idea that by doing that, that's how you're getting those credit limit increases, because they're liking the amount that you're using, okay? And if you haven't gotten a credit limit increase, keep in mind your credit score still does play a role, late payment history, all that fun stuff. But banks look at that as the basics, right? They're saying, listen, we know you're good. We know you're good. But are you putting us in a position where we can sell you other products? And we know that by the way that you're using these cards, okay? And it may just not be Discover and Citibank. It could most definitely be other banks as well too. We kind of talked about this before, using the credit card in general, but for them to do a soft pull, that's amazing, okay, to do that, because some places are still doing hard credit pulls for credit limit increase. All right, so hopefully that was helpful. As we start to get more dynamics on this, we'll most definitely keep you guys posted as always. So if you like this video, like it. If you want to share it, and as always, be sure to subscribe, as we have nothing but great content on the way. Thank you all so much. Have a great day.